What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I'm back with just a quick tutorial. Now, if you have the new AirPods Pro, you may be wondering, how do I swap these ear tips out? Very simple, because it may seem like I actually break these at first, because I thought I was gonna hurt mine when I first got them. So these basically just snap off. So you just pull this and they pop off. Now, when you want to put another one back on, and I really don't have to put another one back on because I can just snap these back on, but they just kind of clip in and you can hear the click when you put it on. So snap, just grab the stuff and snap it off. So don't pull this piece because you run the risk of breaking it, that outer piece. You want to actually get down in between there. That's a more firm grip. Put it on, snaps, and grip it, and it pops off and snaps back on, and it pops right back off. So you want to hear that snap and that pop. When you snap it on, it's gonna snap, and when you pop it off, it's gonna pop off. So that's the way you're gonna do this. So don't think you're gonna hurt these. They're really tough. They're tougher than I thought. I thought I was gonna break it when I first tried, but so it's really just a squeeze and a pull and then a snap back on. So that's how you're gonna work these things. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.